Hey guys, Andrew Koster with Louisiana Grills here at the Danson's Training Center. Today, we're going to be going over part replacement and maintenance on your Louisiana pellet grill. We're going to be using an LG 900, but since all Louisiana grills have a similar burn system, these will be relevant to all Louisiana grills, including yours at home. So in this video, we're going to be going over maintenance and replacement of your auger and auger motor in your Louisiana grill. We already have our side panel and our hopper grate off, so we have all the access we need to get in there and actually get to work on our auger. The first thing we're going to do is there's a few zip ties inside here. We're going to snip those, being extremely careful that we don't cut any wires. From there, we have two Allen screws, one on each side of the auger. We're going to remove those, and then the auger is actually going to slide right out for us. We're then going to remove one more set screw, and the auger is actually going to come right from the auger motor itself. From there, we can disconnect the motor from the yellow and white wires, and our auger and motor have been removed. So now that everything's been disconnected, you can go about repairing, maintaining any of your pieces, or go about replacing it in the reverse order.